If you've ever stared at your compost pile wondering when, or if, it would ever finish, you're not alone. Most gardeners know the frustration, months of turning, watering, and waiting, only to end up with a half-finished, nutrient-leaking heap. But what if I told you there's a cleaner, faster, and more powerful way to turn your kitchen scraps into soil gold in just 2 weeks? Welcome back to Soilsage Chronicles, where we dig deep into the secrets of sustainable gardening. Today, we're diving into Japan's soil revolution, the Bokashi method, a technique that transforms food waste into nutrient-rich soil faster than traditional compost ever could. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy indoor system or a seasoned gardener searching for an efficiency boost, this one's going to change the way you see compost forever. Here's what makes Bokashi different. Instead of rotting your waste like traditional composting, Bokashi ferments it. Think of it less like decomposition and more like pickling, except you're preserving nutrients for your soil instead of vegetables for your fridge. The process is powered by effective microorganisms, EM1, a mix of beneficial bacteria, yeasts and fungi that work together in an anaerobic environment, which means no oxygen. When you seal your food scraps inside a Bokashi bucket with these microbes, they start a fermentation process that prevents decay, captures nutrients, and multiplies soil-friendly bacteria. So, the result isn't compost just yet. It's more like a biologically active pre-compost kind of resembling pickled food. But you know, once you bury it in the soil, those amazing microbes get to work, transforming it into that dark, crumbly humus we love within just a few short weeks. And here's the best part. This whole process preserves nearly 100% of the nutrients, especially nitrogen, calcium, and those trace minerals that traditional compost piles tend to lose through oxidation. Pretty impressive, right? Now, traditional composting definitely has its place, but let's be honest, it can be quite messy, smelly, and, well, slow. You've got to have the right mix of greens and browns, keep turning it constantly, and have enough space for a decent pile. Even then, you might be waiting 3 to 6 months before you get any usable compost. Bokashi, on the other hand, is indoor-friendly, odor-free, and ridiculously fast. Because it's sealed tight, there's no need for oxygen, no pests, and no unpleasant smells. It also handles foods that traditional compost fears: meat, dairy, oily leftovers, and even bones. In short, Bokashi makes composting possible for anyone, anywhere, apartment dwellers, balcony gardeners, or anyone short on space. This is your ticket to composting without the mess. Starting your own Bokashi system is easier than you think. You'll need 2 key things. First, a Bokashi bucket, an airtight container with a spigot at the bottom to drain liquid, and second, Bokashi bran, a microbial inoculant that jumpstarts the fermentation process. You can buy both online, but let's be real, gardeners love DIY, so here's how to make your own Bokashi bran. Mix 1 kilogram of wheat bran with 500 milliliters of EM1 solution, 2 tablespoons of molasses, and 1 liter of non-chlorinated water. Stir it well until it feels moist, but not soggy. It should clump together when you squeeze it, but not drip. Then seal it in an airtight container for 2 weeks to ferment. When it's ready, it'll have a sweet, tangy smell. That's the scent of healthy microbes thriving. Once you've got your bran and bucket ready, it's time to get fermenting. Start with a thin layer of Bokashi bran at the bottom of your bucket. Add a layer of food waste, fruit peels, veggie scraps, rice, leftovers, even small bits of meat or dairy, and then sprinkle another layer of Bokashi bran over it. Press it down firmly with your hand or a flat utensil to eliminate air pockets. Bokashi microbes thrive in tight, airless spaces, so the more compact, the better. Seal the lid tightly and keep your bucket at room temperature, ideally between 18 and 25 degrees Celsius. Every couple of days, open the tap at the bottom to drain the Bokashi tea, a liquid gold fertilizer produced during fermentation. This is where the Bokashi method gets even more exciting. The liquid you drain every few days is a concentrated microbe-rich fertilizer that can, really supercharge your plants. But remember, it's powerful stuff. Always dilute 1 part Bokashi tea in 100 parts water before applying it to your garden or houseplants. For example, just mix 10 milliliters of tea in 1 liter of water. The tea actually loses potency pretty quickly, so it's best to use it the same day you drain it. If you don't need it for your plants right away, you can pour it down your drains. The beneficial microbes will actually help clean pipes and neutralize odors, a hidden bonus that, honestly, no compost pile can offer. After your bucket is full, let it sit sealed for another 2 weeks to complete fermentation. When you open it, you should smell something like pickled vegetables, sweet and tangy, not rotten. White mold on the surface is a good sign. It means beneficial fungi are thriving. If you ever see black or green mold, that's a sign air got in, and you'll need to adjust your sealing method next time. To turn that pre-compost into usable soil, simply dig a trench about 20 to 25 centimeters deep, pour in the fermented mixture, and mix lightly with the surrounding soil. Make sure to cover it completely to keep pests away. Over the next 2 to 3 weeks, the microbes will continue breaking it down until it becomes dark, crumbly humus packed with bioavailable nutrients. You'll notice your soil texture improving, fluffier, richer, and teeming with earthworms. For raised beds and potted plants, mix Bokashi pre-compost directly into your soil and let it rest for 2 weeks before planting. You can also combine it with traditional compost for a nutrient-dense boost that plants will love. Even though Bokashi is simple, there are a few things that can throw it off. If your bucket smells rotten instead of tangy, air likely entered the system. Make sure you're pressing down your waste tightly and sealing the lid firmly. If the contents are too wet, add a little extra Bokashi bran to absorb moisture. And if fermentation seems slow, keep your bucket somewhere warm. Around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius is ideal. Always remember, a healthy Bokashi bucket smells slightly sweet and sour, never foul. Here's where Bokashi truly shines. It's not just about recycling waste, it's about regenerating your soil's ecosystem. When you bury fermented Bokashi, you're reintroducing living microorganisms into your soil. These microbes rebuild soil structure, increase water retention, and unlock nutrients that your plants couldn't access before. Over time, your soil becomes more self-sustaining, more fertile, and more resilient to pests and diseases. It's like giving your soil a living immune system. That's why, many advanced organic gardeners now swear by Bokashi. It doesn't just feed plants, it feeds the soil, which in turn feeds everything else. Let's put it simply, traditional composting is the marathon runner, steady, reliable, but slow. Bokashi is the sprinter, fast, efficient, and nutrient-packed. Traditional compost can take 3 to 6 months and lose up to half its nutrients to the air. Bokashi finishes in just 14 days, keeps everything sealed, and preserves nearly all its nutritional value. It's compact, pest-proof, and works year-round, even in apartments. So whether you're managing a backyard garden or just a few pots on your balcony, Bokashi gives you a shortcut to healthier soil and thriving plants, all while reducing kitchen waste to zero. If you've been waiting for compost that works as hard as you do, Bokashi is your answer. It's fast, clean, and deeply regenerative. Every batch you make not only reduces food waste, it rebuilds life in your soil. At Soilsage Chronicles, we believe every gardener, no matter where they are, deserves access to the kind of rich living soil that makes plants truly thrive. Bokashi gives you that power, right in your kitchen. So why wait months for your compost when you can ferment your way to fertile soil in just 14 days? Try it yourself, see the difference. And if this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to Soilsage Chronicles for more soil wisdom, regenerative gardening secrets, and real-world techniques that keep your garden and the planet alive.